Raw rough diamonds are uncut, natural stones that often look very different from the sparkling gems seen in jewelry. Because of their dull, irregular appearance, they can easily be confused with common minerals like quartz. This guide explains simple, safe ways to identify rough diamonds at home using observation and basic tests. Number 1. Examine the surface and shape. Rough diamonds usually have a natural, irregular shape with sharp edges. They may appear slightly oily or greasy on the surface and often have a dull or waxy luster, not glassy like quartz. What to look for: irregular or cubic crystal shape, smooth but not shiny surface, rounded edges from natural erosion. Number 2, check transparency. Most rough diamonds are not fully transparent. Instead, they are often cloudy, milky, slightly translucent. If the stone is perfectly clear like glass, it's likely not a raw diamond. Number 3, the fog test, breath test. Hold the stone close to your mouth and breathe on it like a mirror. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly. Fake stones, like glass or quartz, will stay foggy for a few seconds. 4, hardness test. Scratch test. Use carefully. Diamond is the hardest natural material, Mohs hardness 10. A real diamond can scratch glass easily. However, do not rely only on this test, as other materials can also scratch glass. Be careful, this test can damage surfaces and is not 100% reliable. 5, water test. Drop the stone into a glass of water. Real diamonds are very dense and will sink quickly. Lighter fake stones may float or sink slowly. 6, heat resistance test. Diamonds can withstand extreme heat. Heat the stone for a short time, then place it in cold water. A real diamond will not crack easily, while fake stones may break. This test is risky and not recommended unless you understand the dangers. 7, use a magnifying glass with a simple magnifier. Look for natural inclusions, tiny internal flaws. Perfectly clean stones are less likely to be natural. Number 8, compare weight. Diamonds are heavier than many similar looking stones. If two stones are the same size, the diamond will feel heavier. Important note, home tests are only basic indicators. Many stones can pass 1 or 2 tests but still not be diamonds. For confirmation, always consult a professional gemologist or use specialized tools. Conclusion: identifying raw, rough diamonds at home requires patience and careful observation. By combining multiple simple tests, such as surface inspection, fog test, and density check, you can increase your chances of recognizing a real diamond.